Are you ready for the next form? In this video, we're going to break down form number 4 of the Wu Style 12 posture form into simple, easy to follow steps so you can learn with confidence and continue to build a strong foundation. My name is Aramis, or AP, and my mission is to help as many people live happier and healthier lives through Wu Style Tai Chi Chuan. Whether you're one of my students or you're learning anywhere in the world, these beginner-friendly lessons are designed to help you improve balance, mobility, coordination, flexibility, circulation, and overall well-being at your own pace. If you're new here and you'd like to continue learning authentic Wu Style Tai Chi while investing in your health, consider subscribing so you don't miss the future lessons. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video so you'll learn Form 4 step by step and then practice it together from the beginning of the form to reinforce what you learn. And by the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident in your practice. So let's get started. All right, so Form 4 is called brush knee and push left. So we're going to start off from the end of form number 3 with your right foot forward, the right hand forward, the left hand is touching the right wrist, both wrists is flexing up, your shoulders relaxed and your elbow is down, and the hand is in the center line of your body. And all the weight is back on your left leg. So form 4, you're going to turn the hip, sink the left elbow, left hand protects the face, and you lean slightly back on your left shoulder. Then it's right toe down, right palm down. And so when you drop in a palm, the right palm is dropped 2 inches down from its original position, and you go on palm first, not fingers first. So you want to make sure you pull in the wrist back and not this. So after toe down, palm down, you're going to shift your weight, lean shoulders first. The right hand comes down in front of your stomach at waist height with the palm hooked in, and all the weight is forward on your right leg. Then you're going to close the hip, pivot the left foot in. You're going to press forward with the left hand and brush knee with the right, so it's on the outside of your right leg. And your left hand is right in front of your left shoulder with the hands relaxed and the shoulders relaxed as well. All right, now let's practice along together. So you want to have your feet into the hip joints. You want to lift your crown, tuck your chin, tongue to the roof of your mouth, relax your shoulders, relax your chest, relax your breathing. And begin. You bend the wrist as the hand comes up to shoulder height. Sink the elbow as the hands come back in front of your shoulders. Press down and flatten the palms. Form 2, you're going to sit by tucking your hips and bend your knees. Shift your weight towards the right leg. Pick up the left heel. Take a step, landing heel first, toe up. Now, the left palm scoops up in front of you. The palm face towards you. The right hand comes up vertical towards the right corner. You follow the right hand. Then you pivot from the right elbow to join the palms and to be touching palm to palm. Now, hook the left foot towards the right corner, toe down, bend the front knee and go forward, straight ahead. Form 3, sink the right elbow towards the right, and then chop with the right hand, you follow the right hand. Pick up the right heel, pivot on the toe as you turn your body towards the right, make sure your back is straight. Then you take a step with the right foot, landing heel first, toe up, join the left fingertips to right wrist. Now form 4, turn the hip towards the left corner, sink the left hand back, lean slightly back in the shoulder. Right toe down, right palm down. You shift your weight, lean shoulders first, right hand in front of the stomach at waist height. Then you close the hip, pivot the left foot in, press forward the left palm, brush knee with the right, so it's on the outside of your right leg. Keep the hip joints, hands relaxed, and begin with the beginning of the form. In form 2, raise hands above. Form 3, play guitar. Form 4, brush knee and push left. Knees to hip joints, lift your crown, tuck your chin, relax your shoulders, relax your chest, relax your breathing. And begin with the beginning of the form. In form 2, raise hands above. Now form 3, play guitar. And form 4, brush knee and push left. So that wraps up our lesson of form 4 of the Wu Style 12 posture form.
Nice.
Take some time to practice this movement on your own. And remember, consistent practice is what transforms the technique into natural movement. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on staying relaxed, moving with intention, and improving each little by little as you practice. If you found this lesson helpful, I really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who wants to begin their Tai Chi journey. If you haven't already, subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video and continue learning the Wu Style 12 posture form together. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know how form 4 felt, what questions you have, or what part you'd like me to explain further in a future video. Thank you so much for practicing with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.